Teacher Angeline Capote, guest speaker Pastor Eric Book, all our tutor teachers, parents, friends, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Tihan Matthew Otala Para, one of the summer class students of Cleverland. From staying at home, be a scholar, and took a lot of adjustments. We had a great time learning at Cleverland. On behalf of my fellow classmates, I take this opportunity to thank all our amazing teachers and their patience. A big thank you for making our summer school so much fun. To our parents, thank you for their love and support. To our guardians, thank you for looking after us. But most importantly, thank God for making us healthy and happy kids every day. And to all my super cool classmates, congratulations and good luck to our next endeavors. Remember, sharing is caring. Don't forget to be kind to everyone and always keep smiling. Let's spread the happiness like a confetti. Once again, on behalf of Cleverland Summer Class of 2024, I welcome you all to our culmination ceremony. Thank you all and God bless.
Thank you, Dayan, for the wonderful start. It's always inspiring.